This new Viral Vue feature deserves the jumbo hat because it's going to save you more time and more money than anything else on the market. Buckle up and get ready. The tool is finding and accepting Affiliate Plus campaigns in seconds. So instead of it taking 30, 45 minutes, you're going to click one button and it's going to accept all the campaigns that you're eligible for in less than 1 minute. This is game changing. I'm excited to break it down. So let's jump into my screen and show you how this works. So the first step is to get to Creator Connections. You can go to the Viral Vue shortcut, click Creator Connections, and it will take you to this page. Now we don't want to get to sponsored products for creators. We want to be in Affiliate Plus campaigns. From here, we'll see Accept Affiliate Plus campaigns. And you'll see that we have the normal standard run, and this is still available if you want to run it the old way. But the new way is the quick run. And you're going to click right here, and it's going to look the exact same way. The only difference is it's going to find and accept in seconds. So instead of it taking 45 minutes, it's just going to run through, and I'll show you exactly how this works. So just like the normal run, we can run the same settings. We can come run the tagged ASINs, the auto-linked, and previously, if I was to do the normal run, I wouldn't run them all at once because it's so many ASINs and it would take so long, and more than likely you might get rate limited. And so I was splitting them up. But with the quick run, I could literally toggle all of these on and run them at the same time. Now, just for the example, I'm just going to run the tagged ASINs and the auto-linked, and I'm going to hit start. And as you can see, it's gathering those ASINs. So we have almost 4,000 that it's pulling together from the auto-linked and the tagged. And in less than 10 seconds, we are more than halfway through. So it's finding the campaigns that I'm eligible for, and once it finds them, it's going to bulk accept. Now, in this case, I literally just did this 3 times today as I was testing it, and I was accepting a bunch of campaigns, so there was nothing to accept because I literally just ran it. But when it does run it, it's going to accept it, and it's going to show you how many accepted, it's going to show you how long it took, and it's going to show you from where you accepted them from. And just quick side note is if you don't have this submit accepted campaign button right here, it's going to ask you to accept the campaigns one by one. So once it identifies the campaigns, then you just say accept one by one, and it will take a little bit longer than the 17 seconds that it took me. Not much, but it's going to be 10 times faster than anything before. So again, go to Creator Connections, go to Quick Run, and run the settings that you please. For example, we'll do the report settings, and how we have this set up is when we run this, it's actually going to go grab the ASINs. I don't have to touch anything. It's going to grab the clicks from the past 48 hours, and it's going to load those ASINs in. So as you can see, it took a little bit longer. So we got 29 seconds, and it's cross-checking. We got 344 ASINs to check. And boom, just like that, I was able to find and accept so much faster than before. I truly think, and there was actually one ASIN that it just picked up, which is really cool. Even though I just ran this a couple hours ago 3 different times. So it's always going to be picking up new campaigns. And that's what makes this awesome. You can run it as frequently as you want, and you don't have to wait 45 minutes for it to go through. You can literally just run it and boom, accept the campaigns that you are eligible for. Just a few quick side notes. When you're running the earnings reports, it's going to take a little bit longer because it has to go collect the last 48 hours of clicks, and then it's going to come back and run that automation. But if you just ran, for example, the URL view or the tagged and the auto linked, it's going to automatically populate those, and it should take 10, 15, 20 seconds. Could be more if you have more videos, and then it could be less if you have less videos. But this automation is seriously going to save you so much time. You're going to get rate limited less. You're going to have more time to be able to deploy in other avenues, making videos, uploading content, and focusing on activities that's going to move the needle. Now, not saying that the find and accept doesn't move the needle, because it absolutely does. If you're not doing this simple strategy of finding Creator Connections campaigns that you're eligible for, you're literally throwing money down the drain. This one tool alone will cover the cost of the Viral Vue subscription in commissions earned, and then also now that it's a quick run, you're going to be saving so much time. So basically this alone makes Viral Vue worth it, but obviously we have like 50 other tools that you guys can use and take advantage of. But I'm really excited. The team crushed this one, the find and accept Affiliate Plus campaigns in seconds. is game changing. Share this with an Amazon influencer friend that has been doing this and trying to do it manually or doing it the long way of waiting 45 minutes, an hour, and is dealing with rate limiting constantly. Go to Viral Vue, accept Affiliate Plus campaigns, click Quick Run, and then select the settings that you want to run and hit start and watch the magic happen. Anyways, I hope you guys are excited for this feature because I'm fired up. I think this is going to be something that's revolutionary, and the Quick Run is here. It's available, so go use it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe, drop a comment. I'll drop the links to more resources down below, but thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.